Want to read faster without missing a single detail? Imagine breezing through books like never before. Today, we'll show you how to set up Bionic reading on your Kindle for a smarter, speedier reading experience. Trust me, once you try this, you won't go back. So, what is Bionic reading? Well, it's all about helping your brain process words faster. Instead of focusing on every single letter, Bionic reading highlights the first part of each word, giving your brain just enough clues to figure out the rest. Sounds cool, right? You'll need the fast font to enable Bionic reading on your Kindle. This free font is designed to help you read faster by highlighting the beginning of each word. This makes it easier for your brain to process the text. There are 3 different versions of fast font, so you can pick the one that feels best for you. Version 1. Fast font with serifs. A classic typeface with those little decorative flourishes at the end of letter strokes. Version 2. Fast font sans, without serifs, a clean, modern font without serifs. Version 3. Fast font sans, without serifs, and dots as spaces. This version uses dots instead of regular spaces between words, which helps you focus on the spaces between words to read faster. Fast font sans, without serifs, a clean, modern font without serifs. Step 1. Grab a USB cable and connect your Kindle to your computer. Your Kindle should appear on your computer as a drive, just like an external hard drive. Step 2. Search online for the fast font files. You can find them easily with a quick Google search, or click here. Download the version of fast font you like, serif, sans serif, or with dots as spaces. Step 3. Open the Kindle Drive on your computer. Look for a folder named Fonts. If it doesn't exist, create a new folder and name it Fonts. Step 4. Copy the downloaded fast font files from your computer and paste them into the Fonts folder on your Kindle Drive. Step 5. After transferring the font files, safely eject your Kindle from your computer. Now, open any book on your Kindle device. Once the book is open, tap the top of the screen to bring up the toolbar. From there, tap the AA icon, which will take you to the Settings menu. In the Settings, head over to the Font tab, where you'll find a list of font options. Simply select the fast font variation that you've previously installed. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Bionic reading on your Kindle. Now, enjoy reading faster and more efficiently. Now that you know how to use Bionic reading on your Kindle, here are some tips to help you get the most out of it. Tip 1. Begin by reading for shorter periods so your eyes and brain can get used to the new way of reading. Tip 2. Try out all the fast font options, serif, sans serif, and dots as spaces, to see which works best for you. Tip 3. Adjust the font size to what's most comfortable for you. A slightly bigger font makes Bionic reading easier. Tip 4. Just like with regular reading, it's essential to take breaks to avoid eye strain and stay focused. Tip 5. If your eyes hurt or you feel tired, take a break or switch to your usual reading settings. Whether you're looking to supercharge your reading speed, improve focus, or even reduce eye strain, Bionic reading on Kindle is the way to go. Plus, it's a lifesaver for people with challenges like dyslexia. So, give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to level up your reading game. Happy reading!